Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2020 Harley Davidson Road Glide. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2020 Harley Davidson Road Glide with 18,344 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, a keyless ignition, a multifunction 2-speaker audio system, navigation, and cruise control. It's been upgraded with a Two Brothers Racing 2-to-1 exhaust, an Arlen-S intake, 16-inch handlebars, Harley Davidson grips, LED turn signals, a CVO-style seat, and docking hardware. We have installed a new rear tire. Powered by a 107 cubic inch V-twin engine, the Road Glide puts 114 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 6-gallon fuel capacity, the Road Glide has a 230 to 260 mile range. It has a 27.4-inch seat height and an 820-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 430 seconds, and the rear at 1030 seconds. We did not take this bike for a test ride. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are scratches on the end of the exhaust and dents in the fork cover. This bike has 1 key and 1 fob, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our premium program. It received an inspection, service, repairs, detail, and comes with a comprehensive warranty for the first 30 days or 1,000 miles and continued powertrain warranty for a total of 90 days or 3,000 miles. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.